Installation of liquid level meters. Differential pressure instruments are used in measurement of level in tanks. Liquid level. Differential pressure sensors and transmitters are used for some liquid level measurements. One DP transmitter can infer level from the pressure difference and known or measured density. Figure in next slide shows two remote diaphragm seals. Tank level measurement with the help of two diaphragm seals. Tank level. To have the transmitter output increase with increase in level, the top connection goes to the transmitter low input and the bottom connection connects to the high input. The transmitter 0 is offset to read 0 with an empty tank. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. Remote diaphragm seals. Remote diaphragm seals are used in some tank level measurements. The tubing, typically small diameter liquid filled capillary tubing connecting two seals to the transmitter, should be of the same length to reduce the effects of ambient temperature and thermally insulated together where possible. Hydrostatic tank gauge. Gauge pressure transmitters show the difference between atmospheric and process pressures, and two of these can be used for level service by subtracting the two signal values. This is called a hydrostatic tank gauge. Level, mass content and density. Three pressure signals can be used to report level, mass content and density. Another scheme uses the wet lag design as shown in figure in next slide. Tank level wet lag. The transmitter high side input is connected to the bottom tap so that the signal increases as tank contents increase. This requires a special calibration for the transmitter. Definitions. Wet lag. When a differential pressure transmitter is installed near the bottom of a tank to measure level, it is convenient to fill the impulse line installed from the top connection on the tank to the low pressure connection of the transmitter. This causes the transmitter output to increase as the tank liquid level increases. The wet leg provides the reference pressure. The transmitter 0 is offset to show 0 output when the tank is empty. Request. It is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe.